Don't be fooled, the best protein shakers are much more than just a water bottle. In fact, you can pack just about any protein powder, creatine or smoothie into these versatile shakers, and some even come with handy supplement compartments. If you're looking for smoothie ideas, we tried Chris Hemsworth's go-to protein shake, and it was actually really tasty. But if you've got your recipes locked down already, then you just need the perfect shaker to pair it with. In the name of fitness, we tested the best protein shakers out there to get the job done. There are numerous options for cheap shaker bottles, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable shaker bottles from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. BlenderBottle Radian Tritan Shaker Bottle. BlenderBottle's Radian Tritan Shaker Bottle is our top pick because it's easy to clean, is BPA and phthalate-free plastic, and blends contents thoroughly. The signature stainless steel blender bowl swiftly whisks ingredients smoothly. With an ergonomic grip and secure screw-on lid and cap, the bottle's contents won't spill or leak, even when carried in a gym bag. Handy liquid ounce markings and a transparent design help you craft nutritious shakes with accurate measurements for each ingredient. Though the measurement markings only go up to 24 ounces on the 32-ounce shaker, it safely leaves a standard cup's room for mixing in solid ingredients and potential volume expansion. A sturdy bargain available in 7 shades, the bottle travels well, thanks to the tapered design that fits most cup holders. Number 2. BlenderBottle ProStak System. Protein is a must at every meal, Faraday says, especially if you want to maintain your strength gains and fuel adequate muscle growth and recovery. BlenderBottle makes these nutritional demands easier to meet with a busy lifestyle, thanks to this ultimate on-the-go shaker with optional interchangeable compartments to carry your protein powder and/or pre-workout wherever you need it. 2 stackable and leak-proof twist-on storage options hold liquids or solids of any kind. The shaker even comes with a nifty pill tray insert that fits inside either of the 2 storage compartments and allows you to take vitamins and pills on the go. Like its sister shakers, this mixer blends by the brand's signature surgical stainless steel whisk, ensuring a smoothly blended shake every time. The lip-top handled lid seals tightly during transport, and all parts can be thrown into the top rack of the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Number 3. BlenderBottle SportMixer Tritan Grip Shaker Bottle. Lock in vital beverages with the tight-sealing SportMixer shaker that comes in 2 sizes, a 20 or 28-ounce bottle. Utilizing quality BPA and phthalate-free plastic, BlenderBottle's hybrid mixer meets sports bottle is as great for blending shakes as it is when used as your go-to water bottle. Hang tight to the workout-friendly textured grip of this contoured bottle for a no-slip hold, even in the sweatiest environments. To top it off, the bottle's twist cap fastens shut, promising leak-proof commutes with a clip-to or tossed in your bag. Number 4. Shakespeare Tumbler View. The aptly named Shakespeare Tumbler features a curved base designed to mix shakes and prevent ingredients from getting stuck in any edges. What's more, centrifugal force from the rounded bottom breaks down stubborn powders without the need for a shaker bowl or mixing screen. This system also makes it much quieter compared to other options. The world is your oyster to measure, mix, and go about business with enough protein to fuel your day, thanks to the clip-able handle loop and cup holder compatible shape. This sleek tumbler with a silicone-sealed slide cap, rugged design, and view window is as functional and portable as they come. Number 5. InstaCuppa Rechargeable Blender Bottle. The BlenderBottle one isn't exactly a protein shaker. It's a hell of a lot better, actually. This battery-powered mini blender is more powerful than you'd expect, and it's small enough to toss into any gym bag. Designed for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen cocktails, meal replacements, salad dressings and more, the BlenderBottle is more than just a gym companion. It's an all-around useful kitchen accessory that adds a little tack to your fitness hustle. I'm not joking. This is my favorite kitchen gadget to date. The BlenderBottle's slim one-button design is easy to use, and there's even a carrying strap on the lid. The micro USB port is waterproof, too. I loved using this thing to blend up post-workout protein shakes, mid-morning fruit smoothies, and end-of-day frozen margaritas. I earned it, okay. You won't regret having this thing laying around. It takes about an hour and a half to fully charge the BlenderBottle. On a full battery, you should get roughly 15 blends, according to the company. During my testing, I started to run out of juice after about 10 blends, but that miniature motor burns through more juice if you're using it to make really thick juice. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.